How to update Firefox to the latest version, quick and easy. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to update Firefox to the latest version. Keeping Firefox up to date ensures you get the latest features, security improvements, and bug fixes. Here's how to update Firefox to the latest version. For Windows and Mac OS, open Firefox. Launch Firefox by clicking on its icon. Open the menu. In the top right corner of the Firefox window, click the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Click on Help. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Help. It is usually near the bottom. Select About Firefox. In the Help menu, click About Firefox. Check for updates. A new window will appear showing your current Firefox version. Firefox will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will download automatically. Install the update. Once the download is complete, click Restart to update Firefox to finish the update. Firefox will close and relaunch with the latest version. Confirm the update. To verify the update, go back to the About Firefox window to ensure you have the latest version installed. And before we proceed, in order for you not the Google Chrome will be installed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel for Android and iOS. Open the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android on your mobile device. Go to the respective App Store. Search for Firefox. In the search bar, type Firefox and select the official Mozilla Firefox app from the results. Check for updates. If an update is available, the update button will appear next to the app. Tap it to download and install the latest version. Open Firefox. After the update is complete, open Firefox to start using the latest version. And just like that, your Firefox is fresh, fast, and ready for anything. Keeping your browser updated not only boosts your online experience, but also helps you stay safe and secure on the web. Remember, every little step towards improving your digital life is a step towards a better, brighter tomorrow. Technology, like magic, is all about transformation. Keep updating, keep evolving. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the bell to stay ahead with the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep shining. Stay awesome, stay curious, and see you in the next video.